I like Cambria too is because of their customer service. So let's just say in the unlikely event of having a chip on your countertop or a little dink on the corner, they're more than happy to send someone out there to repair it. They're all about customer satisfaction and they really want you to be happy with their product that they produce. So in that event, if something happened, give customer care a call and they'll be out there to help take care of it.
Yes, they really stand by their product. Their stone also has the pattern all the way through. So if you can see the edge here, goes all the way through the stone compared to other surfaces have it only on the top. Another great thing about Cambria is that they always have inventory. I don't think I've ever had an issue getting material from them.
Yeah, and I think another great quality too is they actually supply your designers with the pictures of your slab. So that it's really handy when we're doing a layout process and we really want to stay on track. Maybe we don't have your slab yet, but we still have the picture of your actual slab. So we just import that, do your layout. It makes it really easy for us to help you in that aspect as well.
If we have a customer that may have chipped their stone, Cambria will come right out, fill the chip.
Yeah, they're really big on customer satisfaction and really going throughout the process with the customer too, even after everything is installed. They want to maintain that relationship, maintain the fact that they will be there to help you too.
I love Cambria because they just have those really beautiful designs.
I think their whole collection, all the colors that they offer, fit a variety of different projects and lifestyles and just aesthetically what a customer wants. Like I said earlier, anything from really simplistic, subtle designs, all the way to something a little bit more out there and a little bit more fun. They have that variety, which is awesome.
Yeah, I like more natural stone look, and I think they did a really good job at making their product look like natural stones.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I call them sparkles galore. Some people love sparkles, some people don't like them. We personally love sparkles. Yeah. Go over there. If you love sparkles, go take a look at the Cambria Tower. Yeah.